Lenovo's shipped more than 500 million PCs, and it makes 3 new devices every second. The company wants to make sure that each one reaches its user in precisely the condition and configuration that it left the factory. Maintaining superior levels of computer security is an increasingly challenging task. Since creating its ThinkShield brand in 2018, Lenovo has been examining where it can control potential security gaps related to its device manufacturing and supply chain. We want to be able to show customers that a device hasn't been tampered with and is trustworthy before they bring it into their environment. We want to attest to the device integrity, even down to system levels that require administrator access. To maintain its solid trust relationship with its customers, Lenovo wanted a reliable third party to provide device attestation capabilities. We found an ideal device tracking and attestation tool in Ledger and Azure SQL Database, and we used the capability to create our trusted supply chain solution. The Ledger feature enables business partners to establish trust by verifying the integrity of centrally managed data. Ledger eliminates the additional cost, complexity, and performance overhead of decentralized blockchain technology while providing many of its benefits in a fully managed SQL environment. Blockchain is also very resource intensive, which goes against our sustainability goals. It does not have great performance, and it is vulnerable to majority attacks. We found the Ledger technology to be very easy to use. It was just a matter of ticking a box to create a Ledger database with integrity protection enabled. With Ledger, we were able to get both integrity protection and the performance of a relational database. Using a fully managed service like Azure SQL Database also lowers the administrative burden over an on-premises solution. Trusted Supply Chain documents the exact state of 32 different device parameters when a computer leaves the manufacturing plant and uploads the data to Ledger tables in Azure SQL Database, where it's processed and stored. When a customer receives a device, they run a data verification program on it and compare the results to what was collected when the device was shipped, giving a very granular view of any discrepancies. With Azure SQL Database Ledger, Lenovo can prove beyond a reasonable doubt that no one has modified a computer's data, not even Lenovo itself. Moving forward, all new Lenovo computers will be tracked in Trusted Supply Chain. Ledger and Azure SQL Database is a very important building block of our zero trust approach moving forward at all levels: data, software, and hardware. We're considering extending it to other high security use cases like continuous firmware monitoring, parts provenance, sustainability, and tracking tax payments and duty transactions. We want to provide end-to-end integrity and transparency to our customers.